क्या हो गया इसको? See, we are switching sides today. Hi guys. Right back at you guys. From one sister to another sister. I'm actually
because we have two phones.
What's up? What's up? What's
I'm
up?
actually so sad. I really want to save my IGTV.
Okay, I'm
Tomorrow
already getting
maybe.
requests to. Hi Janvi Gaur, how are you? What's up?
Hello.
Hello.
Finally.
Okay, gonna wait for a few more people to join in, and then we're number 22 on trending.
Okay, take 3. Yeah, guys, stop making fun of me. Okay, now enough. I really tried. I don't know why it's not happening. And I think whoever really knows me know that I get challenged with technology. That's why you'll never find me on Twitter. You'll never find me nowhere actually. Yeah.
Instagram also.
I have to.
Hey, so many friends here. Hi Kahan. What's
Hi,
happening? What's up? Please, hi Gautam.
We love you, Janvi. आ गया सुखी
Okay,
आ गया
सुखी गाने के लिए आ गया, अभी लाइव पे आ जाओ बस.
I can't do this.
Okay, one second. Just stressing me out. Okay, wait. अच्छा रिक्वेस्ट तो दो. Bye. Just go here and accept that. Thanks, Mihi. We love your work. Anisha's here. Hi. The beats are amazing. Where are you all this time?
मैं दिख रहा हूँ अब. नहीं दिख रहा अभी भी.
आज तो मतलब मिस्ट्री हो गई है. मतलब we went thrice live from our phone.
मेरे को बताओ मैं दिख नहीं रहा हूँ. एक्टिंग कर रहे हो आप.
नहीं सच में अभी फाइनली
इतने chat कर रही हैं हम.
और कैसे हो?
Yeah, good. I can't do social distancing anymore. ये मैं realize कर चुकी हूँ. ये नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे अभी. I can't. I think, but I think you know everyone who's here should know that Sona Lagda is a song that was completely made at the last leg of the lockdown, and हमने साथ में record भी नहीं किया है. We've been you know mailing each other and working like that. So.
Deep
Yes,
doing
we just
banger.
finally did it. And actually, on all the comments, I'm just seeing there's so much confusion. There is Suku Puku Sukhi, and then there's Supra Sukhi, and I'm like, ये तो बहुत ही cool हो गया. So
Yeah, Supra, Suku Puku. You got a lot of fan following. मेरे को तो टैग्स ही आपके आ रहे हैं. सुक्कू पुक्कू आ रहे हैं. I was just मैं Instagram देख रहा था अभी. अभी डांस वीडियोस भी बन के आ रही हैं बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yes. Yeah, guys, we are actually waiting for all the reels to start coming in because we can't wait to see what you're going to do with it. But मुझे याद है जब मैं सुखी को सबसे पहले मिली थी, first time I told him, Sukhi and Suku, like Suku, we have to do a collaboration together. It has to happen. And yes, it's finally happening. And
बहुत टाइम से लगे हुए थे. अब जाके हुआ है and finally it's sounding so good. वीडियो इतना अच्छा है and response comments इतने अच्छे आ रहे हैं. So मजा आ रहा है बहुत. And मेरा तो 1 साल बाद गाना आ रहा है. So I'm so very excited. So it's been 1 year.
और वो भी हमारे साथ तो मतलब
right ना start of the year with you. है ना?
Yeah, starting the year with us. That too in the Valentine's week. पहली बार हमारा गाना आ रहा है and you know it's a dance song but it's got a whole like
डांस भी करवाया जबरदस्ती.
हाँ मतलब this is our Valentine. The song is a Valentine and that's our Valentine gift to everyone. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा.
बिल्कुल.
What's happening? Where are you, Sukhi?
मैं यहीं पे हूँ. I was in car. तो मैं वो
अच्छा, you were on the phone also in the car because we never saw you. You know,
हाँ
हम
तब भी
ऊपर
काम
आ
ही
रहे
था।
थे और आप नीचे से ब्लैक विंडो में आ रहे
अरे मैं तब भी काम ही था। आई थिंक वहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं सही था, आई थिंक मेरी गलती थी।
थे। नहीं, ये मेरे घर का स्पेशल नेटवर्क
अच्छा।
है, कभी होता है कभी नहीं होता है।
So I just saw that reel आपने बनाया है, so I just want to request everyone जो भी सारे fans देख रहे हैं कि reels बनाएं and हमें tag करें so that we can repost and you know yes.
सोने रील्स बनाओ everybody and but Suki, we're waiting for your reel now.
मैं
Okay,
भी
we have to
बनाऊंगा,
see.
मैं
We have to
कल
see
बनाऊंगा।
dance.
डांस नहीं करूंगा। मैं
Already
बनाऊंगा।
one second hook step के थोड़े बहुत आ रहे हैं reels, so we want to see what you do. And for
हाँ।
everybody who's here right now, make your reels and please, you know, show us some love. It's our first song of this year,
बिल्कुल।
2021.
चलो गा के सुना दो अब।
And okay, yeah, this will be fun. Then you can rap and we can join
ठीक
you.
है।
But I have to tell everybody how much I love Sukhi's verse in this, and anyone who's looking for compliments, any girl who wants to feel complimented, just go hear the song. Just go hear the song. I think it's पूरा इतना feel good vibe है इस गाने में that it just kind of makes you happy, and the vibe has always been there since the start. Hi Shan, hi Arman, so many friends here. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank
Hello
you so
everyone,
much.
hello everyone।
Now we'll sing a little bit, no? जब से मिली है तेरी मेरी नजर, रब के सॉन्ग कुछ हुआ है असर, लख लख this is the story of your life. एक मैनू बस तेरी फिक्र, कहीं भी तू मैनू ले जा सोनिया, संग रच के चल अंदरिया, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਦੇ ਫਿਰਾਂ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ ਵੇ, ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਣਾ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰ ਵੇ, ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ। Suki, you're ready. Let's do.
ਲਾਈਟ ਵੇਟ ਚਾਂਜਰਾਂ ਜੁੱਤੀ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਮਦੀ ਫਿਰੇ। I can't hear you ना, सुन नहीं रहा मैं अपना गाता हूँ, ठीक है?
I want to hear this live now.
मेरे को म्यूजिक नहीं सुन रहा, मैं गा रहा हूँ।
Okay.
ਲਾਈਟ ਵੇਟ ਚਾਂਜਰਾਂ ਜੁੱਤੀ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਮਦੀ ਫਿਰੇ, ਗੋਲਡ ਚੇਨਸ ਲੱਗ ਮਸਕਾਰਾ ਡੋਲਡ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਘੁੰਮਦੀ ਫਿਰੇ, ਯੂ ਹਾਰਡਰ ਦੈਨ ਦੀ ਲਾਵਾ ਬੇਬੀ ਗਰਲ, ਇੱਟ ਤੇਰਾ ਮਸਕਾਰਾ ਬੇਬੀ ਗਰਲ, ਨੀ ਰੰਗ ਤੇਰਾ ਸਟ੍ਰਾਬੇਰੀ ਵਰਗਾ, ਦਿਲ ਕਰੇ ਖਾ ਜਾ ਬੇਬੀ ਗਰਲ। Thank you.
See, now you'll realize everybody who's tuned in, digital concerts are very boring, you know, क्योंकि lag होता रहता है यार, मजा ही नहीं आ रहा ज्यादा, but like I'm just happy that we can at least do this, and I'm so happy we can see you, Suki. Yeah.
Same है। You carry on now, आप अभी करते रहो बात, फिर मैं आपको मिलता हूँ।
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
See you. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
We love you.
Same
Take
here,
care.
love you. Bye.
Bye. I'm going to be reading some fun comments on YouTube now. Really, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है। Okay, wait, I want to read some comments now. See, I think I need glasses. So we have Rajat Singh Chauhan saying ये song भी बड़ा सोना लगता है. I wish 50 million in a week. Okay, we go to the next comment now. But thank you. That's really sweet. Saranga says always wait for Sukriti and Prakriti ma'am's new song. These twinny sisters have a special place in my heart. Thank you so much. Then we have Status Palacing. Sukhi is a mood changer. Who agrees? I agree. Alright, we have Ojas Modiraj saying, as expected, this collaboration was too good. Suki Bhaji बहुत handsome लग रहे हैं from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Both the sisters are killing in the scene. बहुत ही बढ़िया गाना. Thank you so much. This song deserves to be in the trending. I agree.
So everybody who's just come in, go on YouTube, search for Sona Lagda, put down a comment. We might just read one. You want to read some more?
I'm very bad with reading. I'm going to start with reading
Reading
comments.
here? Yeah. We have Akansha Srivastava, if you're here. She said, by God, these girls have made lyrics like what all girls want. All the lines of this song are literally what girls want. I agree. Same like Kendina Kendina. That was the idea.
Yeah.
So thank you so
But
much.
guys, y'all have to go and give some love to a very special duo who's actually composed this song also, and their name is Bharat and Saurabh. They've also written the lyrics. So yeah, they in fact sent us the song and we loved it. So we were like, okay, we want to be a part of this, and then that's how it happened.
I think most of the comments on YouTube are that if you can distinguish between the both of us, you're a legend. Guys, it's so simple. Matlab, I think we'll have to do a lot of songs for people
Achha,
to
okay, but
know the difference.
let's just go through some comments. Who actually knows who's who? Because let's get this out of the way.
Yeah.
Like now. I love you, Akriti ma'am. We love you too, Didi. But we can't find her here.
Shashank says viral originals will be the revolution of music lovers in the upcoming days. Aim into that.
Sweet.
Purushottam says, who all agree this is going to be the biggest banger of the year.
Salil's here. I love you both. We love you too.
Love you, Salil.
Always.
Thank you so much for always supporting us. For everybody who doesn't know, Salil, I'm sure everybody knows him, but he is very special to us. Hamari life ka pehla interview when we didn't even know what it feels like to go to a radio station was with Salil.
Always.
So
always. And he's
that's-
actually seen us
Grow up.
Yeah. We're very young, just saying. Grow up too. It was like.
Thank you, guys. You want to ask us any quick questions before we wrap this? We would love to answer some questions.
I'm so sorry my life didn't work. I'm still stuck on that. I get who is confused and who is Suku and who is Puku. Guys,
Right after this live, hum live jayenge YouTube pe and we're going to be replying to all the comments from our YouTube IDs and channels. So, no, we're not making you sound old, Salil. Not at all.
what? Oh, we're back. Sorry. Just bad. Low battery.
Okay, we're Night Angels. Hi! 500k live party cup. This only, guys.
And maybe tomorrow we'll just come without a call.
I'm actually really enjoying coming live. So,
Which is your next song coming up? We should
see,
do
this is what
one.
happens the day you release a song.
So for now, enjoy this, and then maybe we'll tell you soon. But very soon, very soon. I think we don't know the date, but sometime in April. or
This
maybe
song
May.
is ready. I think most
Yeah.
importantly, the next few songs are also extremely special, and they are all getting ready. They're in process, but abhi ke liye it's Sona Lagda. And Pukku ka phone or battery kam na ho. Correct. That is a very big fact.
She should save this, right?
I should say.
I should save this live today for sure.
Okay, so many comments. So I'm going to be reading.
Red shirt
a
is
few.
Pukku. Yes, yes, yes. Red shirt is Prakriti.
See, I'm
Wow.
all ready for Valentine's Day. So अमृतसर राजा दोबारा नहीं है. हम अभी पंजाब से आए हैं. वापस जाएंगे थोड़े टाइम के बाद. But अभी के लिए बहुत प्यारी हो दोनों. Thank you. We're getting some comments from Hum Tum also.
So much love coming for Hum Tum also. Thank you so much. I feel like the whole of last year and this year we've experimented so much with our own music. Like Hum Tum was very different from Sona Lagda, and I think the next song is going to be even more different from this. But just want to say thank you for enjoying all the different kind of things that we're doing and supporting
अगर
us.
यहाँ पे इस live पे if you guys are following us by any chance from our first ever song, then we just want to come here and thank you for supporting the journey. It's been I think now 2 years with Viral Originals, and since Mafia, it's
Your next collab should be with Justin Bieber. Wow.
I will cross to that. मुझे भी कभी reply दो. Hi,
Thanks,
Sanjana.
Arpit. Great video. Might make a dance video soon.
You
Yes!
have to. You have
I'm
to make a
waiting
dance
for it.
video soon.
I'm actually waiting for it.
Someone's like Bantai Public. What's up?
What plans for Valentine's Day? We have a gig, guys.
You
We're
have
gonna
a
be
gig.
singing. I have a gig. I'm gonna be singing.
I'll chill.
I used to live just before your flat on the 6th floor.
We should have come and said hi. We should have met. You both are princess. Thank you.
Please say
We
my
don't have a
name.
car.
Ice Snowy Secret. Hi. I want to see you collab with Zayn Malik.
I am
Oh.
entertained. Sorry if I'm not talking, but I'm just reading. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. So,
Yoria, hi.
any
See you
plan
in a
for
few.
shoot? How's Supra? We are good. We just released a brand new song for everybody who doesn't know. Please
Yeah,
jump.
Prakriti has decided that she's going to repeat herself every 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's only the first day of Sona Lagda, so it's Sona Lagda day today.
I'm very sad that this live is happening from Prakriti's account and not mine. I tried twice. And twice I failed.
Azim's here.
Yo, Azim.
Ladkiyan beauty. Thank you, yeah.
Guys, this person, Azim Dayani, with the verified click right now. Click?
Verified click, no. No.
He's the reason behind Kar Gayi Chul for me. So he's truly very, very special in my life and in my journey. So thank
Everybody
you.
go say hi to him right now.
Zayn के साथ collab yes.
We are
I
here
think.
with you only on Valentine's Day. You can
Yeah.
steal me and keep me locked only in your house. Alright, Zayden ke saath collab. Yeah, sure, we would love to collaborate and work on some fun stuff. Love his music. Thank you. What else? Please sing a song. Should we sing Sona Lagda? A little bit more.
Yeah, for sure. What else do you guys want us to sing? We're going to be doing that and then right before we wrap up. Kaise hai Mummy Papa? Mummy Papa are amazing. They are here.
There were some requests for popcorn also. Popcorn also is amazing and very sona and in a very, very good mood as always. Touch wood. Your angel's fallen on earth.
हम तुम्हें किडनैप कर लेंगे. अरे ऐसे नहीं बोलते.
So cute.
Hey Sukriti.
तुम दोनों में confuse नहीं होते? नहीं उसकी
Listen,
please.
you are not supposed to get confused. We should just know. I mean, if you follow Prakriti or you follow me, then you have to know who's who.
The whole thing is ना कि हमारी 2 Instagram profiles है, so people know who we are.
But YouTube same है.
YouTube same है.
Somebody's asking if आपका YouTube channel क्या है? You can just find
It's
it.
right now it's for some reason, sorry, but it's Prakriti Kakkar, my YouTube channel. But in maybe a few weeks, it's going to be our collective channel, which it always was. Now we're just going to rebrand it again. But आप बहुत सारा content देखोगे हमारे YouTube पे. It's already happening as we speak.
But thank you guys for all the hearts and all the love. We've been actually reading all the messages finally now. And so sweet, guys. We should definitely come live tomorrow also.
No, tomorrow in fact we are going to come live and हम बहुत सारे like requests लेंगे आप सबके and we will meet you guys and hopefully the Sukhi episode will not happen again जहाँ पे we can't see the next window and it comes black. So maybe we need my phone again, but I would love to come and meet you guys tomorrow at some point and then we will talk about Sona Lagda. We will sing a few songs for you and Kapil show में कब आ रही है आप लोग?
Hey, we are ready.
We are ready. He just has to call us.
Yeah.
We'll come running.
You know, a lot of people also sending in requests, but we'll just have to wrap this up today. Any other questions you guys have? We'll all hear. But I think
Tomorrow Urmin ke saath, yes,
yes,
we are
tomorrow
coming
Urmin
live.
ke saath we are.
And there are other few Instagram lives that we are doing tomorrow. तो हम अपनी stories पे डालेंगे. But until then, please go and enjoy Sona Lagda. Please come to
On
Udaipur
YouTube
again.
we are coming to Udaipur
On the 25th.
The 25th, yes, of this month. In fact, we're traveling a lot this month, so we can maybe actually meet you guys. And Chirag Vakharia saying, please do a slow romantic song. It's happening. It's coming. It's coming sooner than you know. Yeah, very, very soon. We also really want to do slow romantic songs, I think it's that time. Hey, Jay's here. Hi. You're Jay. Thank you so much. I hope you like the song. Shreyas is here. What's up, Shreyas? What's up, Shreyas? See, now we'll stop talking because I'm so distracted with the comments. Delhi mein आओगे? Delhi आके मिलोगे? Yes, of course. I think I really want to come and meet you guys, especially the fan clubs who, I really want to meet you all. So, I mean, we're going to actually plan this out because we're traveling a few days. Really, really, I think I just want to say this, special mention, sorry, but to all the Supratics who have made us feel like the most special girls in the world. One day before the release, you guys change all your display pictures, you guys make the hashtag, trend, alag trend chal raha tha Twitter pe. So I mean, it's how special you guys make us feel. There's no comparison. So thank you so much. Love you all so much, and I hope you all enjoyed Sona Lagda and everything that's about to come. But what about Mumbai fans? We're Mumbai girls. We can meet anytime. Alright guys, अभी हम कल आएंगे फिर live क्योंकि ये तो actually we can just sit like this. I know, I can keep reading. But whoever's joined in just right now, our new song Sona Lagda has just released on YouTube. Go on Viral Originals YouTube channel and check it out. Don't just check it out, like it, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and put down a comment. Yeah, and dance on it. We'd love to know how you're dancing on it. And it's a super fun track. Starting the year with a full Desi banger. Check it out and let us know what you guys think. Sorry, my Instagram lives failed twice, but I will try to be in better network tomorrow so it can go better. No, tomorrow definitely we'll come live and we will do some fun stuff. We will sing the song for you, and we have a few more ideas. And we will take some more requests also. Yeah, tomorrow we'll do a proper singing session where we sing a lot of songs, whatever, we can do a random jam. Viral Originals, extra what's love, up? Sending all the love there. Viral Originals, thank you guys. पुक्कू अपना DM देख लो एक बार. हाँ, मैं आज बैठ के रात को यही करने वाली हूँ. I'm only going to be on my DM. झूठ. Such. But I'm going to be doing that, and I will reply to oh god, do you guys fight about guys? She doesn't even reply to me. She leaves me on red. So this DM situation, I think, yeah, everybody tell her she has a very bad habit. She doesn't reply to people. She doesn't call them up. We're gonna stop it. Focus on Sona Lagda. No, it's your life, na? So I want to tell people how you are. Stay really longer. Okay. We're getting so many requests about coming live and accepting requests. But ye kal karenge pakka. Yeah. Yeah. So don't. Don't what? I don't know, but I'm tripping. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please go check out our latest song, Sona Lagda. The link is in our bio. And thank you for giving us so much love. We should do this more often. Like tomorrow. Okay. Network issue ruining. No, abhi network sahi chal raha hai, so yeah, we're good. Okay, but amazing guys. Thank you for the love on the first day. We're going to see you tomorrow. And until then, keep playing Sona Lagda, keep loving it, and just want to say that we love you guys and thank you for the amazing first day. We'll see you tomorrow. Time bata denge. Yes, done. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you for tuning in. And next time, hopefully, guys, please pray for me. I want to come live from my own profile. I'm going to make sure that happens. So yes, yeah, we're going to actually take in some requests and chat with you guys tomorrow. Let's do that properly. Okay, happy Sona Lagda day. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye. Good night. Love you guys. I'm going to be active on YouTube right now, so I will probably see you there. Yeah, I just wanted to say that. Okay, I'm done. Bye.